The majority of people in first world countries have a whiter skin tone or European ancestral timeline. But is it okay to have this pigmentation? On tonight's debate, we have pro, who's adamant that it is okay to be white. And then we have anti, who's not so sure that we should allow white privilege to continue to flourish.
I never said racism was over. In fact, it has never before been so alive thanks to people like you, whom are attacking the majority of people.
Whoa, all right, let's stop right there before I have to break up a physical fight because I'm not sure how to edit that just yet.